Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. It's also a good idea to have a small container for screws. Before you begin, ensure your window is fully rolled down and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts while working. Next, we'll start by detaching the trim pieces. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry up the window switch panel. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors underneath. Then, look for any visible screws around the door handle bezel and remove them. This step often reveals additional fasteners that hold the main panel in place. Now, it's time to find the main fasteners. You'll typically find screws hidden behind the door handle and within the armrest pocket. Some models might have small rubber mats or plastic caps covering these. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Take your time and use a flashlight to ensure you've located and removed every screw holding the panel securely. Finally, with all screws removed, you can begin to release the panel. Starting from the bottom edge, gently pry the panel away from the door using your trim tool to pop out the retaining clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards and away. Remember to disconnect any remaining electrical connectors and the door handle rods before fully removing the panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.